This mini laser engraver could be the most addictive DIY gadget of the year. What if a machine small enough to fit on your desk could help you create personalized gifts, custom business products, home decor, and creative projects in just minutes? Sounds impossible? That's exactly why the DAJA DJ6 mini laser engraver is getting so much attention. But here's the question everyone is asking. Can this compact laser engraver actually deliver impressive results, or is it just another gadget? Let's find out before you decide if it's worth buying. Wait until you see what materials it can work with. First impression. The DAJA DJ6 immediately stands out because of its compact size. It doesn't take over your workspace. It doesn't look intimidating. Instead, it looks like a creative tool designed for anyone, from beginners to experienced makers. But don't let the size fool you. The possibilities are much bigger than you'd expect. Engrave multiple materials. Imagine creating custom designs on wood, leather, acrylic, glass, painted metal. Whether you're making personalized gifts, decorating your home, or creating products to sell, having one compact engraving machine that supports multiple materials opens up countless creative possibilities. And here's where things get really interesting. Bluetooth connectivity. No one enjoys dealing with unnecessary cables. The DAJA DJ6 supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to send compatible projects wirelessly from your device. Simple, convenient, and much more enjoyable for everyday use. But that's still not the biggest reason people are searching for this machine. Turn ideas into real products. Think about what you could make. Custom wedding gifts, wooden signs, leather wallets, personalized phone stands, holiday decorations, business logos. Even if you simply enjoy crafting, this machine gives you more ways to bring your ideas to life. Could this help you start a small business? Many creators use laser engravers to make personalized products for friends, family, or customers. While success depends on your creativity and effort, tools like this can make custom projects much easier to produce. That's one reason compact laser engravers continue to grow in popularity. Before you buy, laser engravers vary in laser power, supported materials, software compatibility, and cutting performance depending on the material and thickness. That's why I highly recommend checking the link below this video. You'll find the latest specifications, included accessories, current pricing, and available discounts before making your decision. You might even discover features that weren't covered in this review. Now, I want your opinion. If you had this engraver today, what would you make first? Wooden signs, personalized gifts, products to sell, leather crafts, acrylic designs? Comment your answer below. And here's another question. Would you use this as a fun hobby or to build a small business? I can't wait to read your answers. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button. Leave a comment. I read as many as possible. Share this video with someone who loves DIY projects or creative tools. Subscribe because it's absolutely free, and you'll never miss reviews of the latest gadgets, DIY tools, and workshop technology. And don't forget to check the link below for more details about the DAJA DJ6 mini laser engraver. It might be the creative tool you've been looking for.